Good morning. Our lesson for today is about stepigraph. So the objective is to interpret stepigraph with the definition of a stepigraph. A stepigraph is a special type of line graph that is made up of horizontal lines in several intervals or steps. There are many cases that we need to use a stepigraph, like for example, the cost of postage, car parking fees, or telephone rates. Look at the first example. This graph is a stepigraph. It's formed of three horizontal lines. This stepigraph is showing the parking charges. Look at the horizontal axis. It is the time in hours. The vertical axis is the cost in pounds. What does the first line represent? This one. If you look horizontally, it is from 0 to 1 hours. It means that after 0 minutes, like if you park only for 1 second, let me say, till up to 1 hour, the cost will be £1. So suppose that you park 10 minutes, you have to pay £1. If you park 59 minutes, you have to pay £1. 1 hour also you pay £1. The second line, it is from 1 till 3, but the 1 is already included down. So I have to start just after 1, and if you park. So if you park for 1 hour and 1 second, you are going to the second interval. This means you have to pay £2. So this one it is after 1 hour up to 3 hours. If you park exactly up to 3 hours, you pay £2. And the third one is just after 3 hours up to 6 hours. If you park 5 hours, let me say, you have to pay £5. 6 hours, also £5, and so on. Let us start with the first question. What is the charge for parking a car for 30 minutes? 30 minutes, I have to go to the first line. So I have to pay £1. Less than an hour. Less than 1 hour, also it's in the first interval, so it is also £1. 2 hours. 2 hours is in the second interval. This means we have to pay £2. 2 hours 59 minutes. Still it is less than 3 hours, or it's up to 3 hours, so still in the second interval, which means £2. And 3 hours 30 minutes, it's in the last one. This means you have to pay £5. So keep in your minds that the value at the end of each step is usually included, which means when I want to take 1 hour, I take it in the first interval. 3 hours, which is the end of the second line, it will be £2, and so on. And the same graph, how long can I park for? £1. I have to go to £1. £1, it is from 0 to 1. So up to 1 hour. If you park up to 1 hour, you pay only £1. £2. £2, it's up to me. I may pay £2, but I can park from 0 up to 3 hours. Maximum time that I can park for £2 is 3 hours. And £5, I can park up to 6 hours. We are done with today's objective, which is to interpret a stepigraph. Thank you for watching the video.